So here's another quick how-to use a Tesla Supercharger. So this is a Type 2 charger. What you have here is a Type 2 style head, which is actually adapted for fast DC charging, and that's for the older Model S's and Model X's. And then here you have the CCS charger, and as before there's the button here which opens the charge port, and then you charge. And you watch, and it turns green, and now it's charging. And that pause was just the car and the charger communicating. And then in here it's already up charging at 123 kilowatts, and it says 35 minutes remaining. So 123. This car can take 170, but this Type 2 charger can only put out 150, and I do believe that it's still limited at about 130. So I'm quite happy with 124 kilowatts. This is the version 3 supercharger, which, as you can see, has only got the one, which is a CCS2, which has got that end on it. And once again, it's got the button to press. So there's 3 of these at Margaret River, along with 3 HPWCs.